Hello friends, today I am sharing mango achaar recipe. Take 300 grams desi raw mango and wash and dry. Remove the upper stem part. And then cut into pieces of your choice, small or medium size. Remove the soft inner part of the mango. Put in a bowl and sprinkle 2 tablespoons salt and mix it well. Heat water in an open pan and place a steam strainer. Put the mango pieces over the strainer and cover the pan and steam cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove pieces and place in an airy place to dry. Heat a 1/4 cup mustard oil in a frying pan at low flame. Add a half teaspoons zeera whole, a 1/4 teaspoons rye, a 1/4 teaspoons methi daana, and 1 teaspoon saunf, and roast for 40 to 50 seconds. Add steamed mango pieces and a half teaspoon turmeric powder. And keep stirring and roasting at low flame. After 1 minute or so, add 1 teaspoon red chili powder and 1 tablespoon salt. Mix, turn off the flame and add a half teaspoon kaloanji. Keep stirring till the contents comes at room temperature. Soft and juicy mango achaar is ready to enjoy. If you enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing to my channel for more tasty and delicious recipes.